of making a squishy. So
I learned this because it's my
So you guys, don't forget to subscribe. If I did not say that in the video.
And give her a huge thumbs up.
Okay, so I'm definitely coloring.
Give me another paper, please.
Okay, I'm coloring my. I really have 6 cats in here. Get out of the bathroom!
Why are you in the bathroom? Let me get you.
He's sleeping in the bathroom.
Can you get out of here?
They're super noisy. They never shut up. So if you take them, blah, 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 blah. See, Leanne, you're hurting him.
Guys, you know what happened next time? I mean last time, the whole light got turned off and we got really scared. So we put a light in our hand, in somebody's phone. Don't know whose phone is it, but my phone, I think. Okay, I'm putting
Stop.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Whoa, where's the scissor?
Where's the scissor?
There's a sound. Okay, so I wanted to show
How
you.
do we do this?
So I'm almost done this. So I have to do this one. So
Can you cut a half for me?
Wait. So I have to color this side. Let me just do kharabisa on this side so I know. And let me finish this.
Do a heart. I mean, cut off. Do something special for me, please.
Can you please follow me on TikTok?
Yeah. Tell them your name. How can they follow you if they don't know your name?
It's cute underscore Lulu 2012.
Yep.
Because 2012 is my favorite number. And I'm 10 years old.
Kidding. She's 9.
No.
Yep, you are. Guys, I swear she's 9.
Fine.
So, she's trying to do a prank on you.
So
Blah, 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 blah.
this looks
Blue,
good.
blue, blue.
Oh, so it's
Blue.
time to